Welcome, in front of me I have SUUNTO Race 2 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the widgets. And here on the list of widgets, you can scroll down and look for the one called steps, or steps and calories. And once you find it, we have the calories displayed, but you can tap on it, and here we can check the amount of steps taken, the amount of calories burned, and you can even scroll down to see average steps, average calories, and some stuff like targets for the steps and stuff like that. And once you're done, you can press the lower button to go back. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the SUUNTO application to track that stuff. So you can bring the phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Okay. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the SUUNTO application. And on the dashboard, the home page, you can scroll down, and here we have the steps, and you can check the daily progress. You can also tap on it to see daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, and you can even check up to 8 years, I believe. Yeah, you can also change the graph type like that, and you can also change the daily goal step if you like to. And once you're done, you can close the application, of course. And that's how you track the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.